Digital marketing online. Step-by-step digital marketing is the process of promoting products and services online with the help of tactics such as social media marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, etc. It offers a chance for brands to focus clearly on marketing to the right audience. Set your direction and goal. Decide what you want to achieve with digital marketing and how you will measure your success. Start your blog or website. Create a platform where you can showcase your skills and knowledge, as well as attract potential customers or employers. Create your social presence. Create engaging content that showcases your brand personality and value proposition. Choose the social media channels that are relevant to your niche and audience. Content creation. Produce high-quality content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. Align the content with your goal and strategy. Content can be in various formats, such as blog posts, videos, podcasts, infographics, ebooks, etc. Learn and understand different terminologies. Use free guides online or take courses from reputable sources to learn more. Familiarize yourself with key concepts and jargon of digital marketing, such as SEO, PPC, CRO, ROI, etc. Start networking. Connect with other digital marketers online or offline. Join communities and forums, attend events and webinars. Seek feedback and advice from experts and peers. Networking can help you learn new skills, find opportunities, and build relationships. Stay up to date. Follow blogs, podcasts, newsletters, or social media accounts of influential digital marketers or agencies to stay informed. Keep yourself updated with the latest trends, tools, and best practices. Practice, practice, practice. Apply what you learn to your own projects or campaigns. Experiment with different strategies and tactics. Analyze your results and optimize your performance. Learn from your mistakes and successes. Keep improving your skills. Thank you. Please feel free to ask any questions.